MM Control, the new Endo motor with torque and speed control and integrated apex locator by Miro Mega, is the indispensable tool for endodontic treatments, ensuring safe and simple root canal shaping. To start, simply press any key on the device's front panel. The MM Control features 3 operating modes. In auto mode, the instrument starts automatically when entering the canal. It goes into auto reverse when the set torque or apical distance is reached, and stops automatically when the instrument is out of the canal. If the run mode is selected, the file starts immediately. It goes into auto reverse when the set torque or apical distance is reached. It stops when the mode button is pressed. In apex over mode, since the control of the apical distance function is deactivated, the instrument starts automatically when entering the canal, does not stop at the apex, and goes into auto reverse when the set maximum torque is reached. It stops automatically when the instrument is out of the canal. The MM Control Apex Locator is reliable and accurate. It can be used to memorize up to 12 programs depending on your customized selection. Select the program to be memorized, validate. Select the torque, validate. Select the speed, validate. Determine the apical distance, validate. The MM Control is stopped by pressing on the mode button, or it stops automatically after 5 minutes of inactivity. Now that your programs are preset, you can do your root canal shaping.